Come here! Stop! 1080 on foot, black male, wearing all black, black jeans, running across Lexington Road to La Montagne. Stop! Going inside La Montagne. Where? Where? Back outside La Montagne.
On the 12th of February, 2026, an officer pursued a shoplifting suspect on foot through an apartment complex, a creek bed, and into the woods. Under Illinois v. Wardlow, flight adds to reasonable suspicion and authorizes pursuit. The chase was lawful from the first step. Officers issued multiple taser warnings without firing. Under Graham v. Connor, force is evaluated at the moment's severity of offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. Shoplifting is a property offense. The subject was unarmed and fleeing. Verbal warnings without deployment was the proportionate response. Physical takedown after a 3-minute pursuit falls under the same Graham analysis. With a fleeing, non-violent subject, soft, empty hand control was the minimum necessary to achieve compliance. No weapons were deployed at any point. The force level was appropriate throughout. Items dropped during flight are not protected by the Fourth Amendment. Under California v. Hodari D, property abandoned while fleeing law enforcement may be recovered without a warrant and used as evidence. The stolen merchandise is fully admissible. Flight did not protect the evidence it provided it. Florida Statute 810.09 permits trespass notice from the property owner or authorized agent. Phone delivery is valid when the subject receives actual notice confirmed on scene. The 2-year ban on Hollies and the Goodwill parking lot took effect at the moment of delivery. Any return is now a criminal offense. No Miranda was required. Miranda applies to custodial interrogation questioning, designed to elicit incriminating responses. Officers asked no incriminating questions post-arrest. The welfare question does not constitute interrogation. Misdemeanor shoplifting arrests do not require Miranda before transport.
Stop! 1080 on foot, black male, wearing all black, black jeans, running across Lexington Road to La Montagne. Stop! Going inside La Montagne. Where? Where? Back outside La Montagne. Crossing Lexington, jump south. Stop! Get tased! Come on, bro! Going inside Athens Gardens. In the woods off of Coleridge. Bro, you're gonna get tased if you don't come up here right now. He's in the creek bed next to Coleridge in the woods. Bro, come on. Get over here. God. God damn it. He's on foot. Leasing office, Athens Gardens. Come here. Get out here. One at taser point. Come here. Come on.
Put your hands behind your back. Do not get up. Hands behind your back. Now. Stop moving. Give me your other hand. $95. Mine's cuffed. It's double.
1428. 7.7.
Let's go.
1037 on east.
Flip over. Flip over and sit up.
What you doing, bro? Huh? You tired now? Me too.
Sit up. Come on, sit up. Get up. Can you get the other side of him? Not lifting up a grown ass man.
We ran all that way. Now we're gonna walk to the car. Come on. Come on, walk.
Quit.
What's the time? What's the time?
Yeah, clearly.
Stand
That's
up.
what happens when you run from police. Stand up. He just told you to stand up.
He got some stuff over there too.
But what?
Central 23.
Stuff.
Like what?
A shirt, bag.
A bag?
I don't know, some stuff. You're gonna go look. I think it's over there in front of this, whatever this building is.
This guy's acting crazy. What did you take, man? Did you take anything?
It's gonna be a 2020 gray Equinox versus the gray
I think that's the main concern.
Can you hold on him for a second?
Central's clear.
Oh, no.
Okay, just relax. Relax. We're gonna fix your cuffs here in just a second, okay?
480 Central. 480, go ahead. 10-8-7-8 written. 10-4. Central 2261. 6-4. Be en route to a school crossing at 1205 South Village Avenue at the Shell.
He's just out of breath.
Needs an officer to cover this location from 1415 to 1515.
Hey, just call her, bro.
Now just relax. We'll just make it.
Oh, this one for her, bro.
We're gonna fix those. Just relax. Toothpaste.
Not a place to keep toothpaste.
Central 351, units 10-4. 10-4.
This shit hurt, bro. Well, listen down, we'll fix it.
He's getting your britches up.
I think it's over here in front of this door.
Oh!
Somewhere between the building and where my car is.
You're transporting on me too. Huh?
I don't care. Don't matter to me.
Why are you
Hey, man, he caught him, bro.
What's that?
He cough hurt.
We're gonna fix him. He's fixing him right now.
You weren't dancing around when I tried to cuff you.
It started
What's your name?
fucking behind.
Central, all E5 units, stand by for reckless driver below.
I pulled up out of my car.
Central, all units in the area of Hull Road and US 29 Highway North. Be on the lookout for a lifted up white Ford F-150 with a King ranch hand on the front.
So it's not
Speeding,
inside.
almost caused a wreck. Left direction of travel out of county. Again, that is a lifted white Ford F-150 with a King ranch hand on the front. Speeding, almost causing a wreck. Left lane heading out of county.
Good now.
Hold on east at 1433.
I don't think it might not have been a bag. It might have been sweatshirt.
Hi, 727. Are you out at Auto?
Where it is? Like, you see it, or
Yeah, I think it's right here in front of this building.
Grush?
is it something you want the dog to look for? Or you just want us to look?
Come here. Grusham's got something in her hand.
Grusham's got it, I think.
Okay. She already got it.
Okay, whatever that was.
Central 25 when you're ready. There's a 7 driving over land for management. Go ahead. 055 492 543. We're not real fast. 10-4.
Oh, you can stop him. Let's go.
Bravo Tango 3202.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Lexington Road.
67 Central. Sorry, 675. You got a minute.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'll call you. Central, they're gonna want more on the phone.
Since he's banging his head so much.
What's that?
The officer receives a B+. Strong radio work, sound taser restraint, proportionate force, correct abandoned property recovery, and efficient trespass coordination. The grade drops for 2 gaps: a welfare question that could be characterized as interrogatory, and trespass notice confirmed by ambiguous nodding from an impaired subject. The subject receives a C: not assaulting officers, not producing a weapon, and complying with handcuffing are credited those prevented additional charges. But the flight abandoned the items that confirm the charge. Running did not protect him. It built the prosecution's case.
Alright, buddy, I'm just gonna put your seatbelt on, alright? Hey, you lean forward for me. Hey, put your feet down. Lean forward for me. There you go. Go. Whoa.
Off of Wilmington Drive, should I have the one?
Let's see what happened after he stopped reading.
Hey, you ready? Alright, go ahead.
Yes, sir. This is Assistant Manager and Ollie's. You are barred from this property. That means the entire property, as far as the owner is concerned, for over 2 years.
And that's the parking lot. Yeah, so that's the whole Goodwill Ollie's parking lot.
Do you understand that, sir? You're barred from that whole property, the Goodwill parking lot and everything, Ollie's, for 2 years. If you go back over there, you go to jail for trespassing. You understand that? Good. Alright, cool. He's nodding his head yes as he understands it, okay?
So he doesn't know that.
He's got a tube of toothpaste.
Got toothpaste, an extension cord, Doing some laundry stuff.
He's ready.
He's trying to be.
Yesterday, this dude was jumping on condition.
Definitely had some fun stuff.
Yeah, he was like, I'm gonna throw up.
Thank you.
Can we go ahead and take him?
I'm not here right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you Samantha? Yeah.
I'm gonna go back and sit in my bed.
Gresham, I think you're in my car, so come on. Freaking Thomas is like, did you get your neck cut? No, leave it alone. It's girl problems. Yeah.
3 takeaways. First, foot pursuit for misdemeanor shoplifting in a public space is lawful under Wardlow. Lange v. California limits misdemeanor pursuit only when it would result in warrantless home entry. In public, the pursuit is authorized by flight itself. Second, items dropped during flight are not yours anymore. The moment you abandon property while fleeing, Fourth Amendment protection ends. Dropping evidence does not hide it, it surrenders it. Third, a phone-delivered trespass notice is legally binding. You do not need to sign anything. Actual notice confirmed at the scene satisfies the statutory requirement. Returning to that property is now a criminal offense. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.